The perfect example of how you can just be chilling in the Yucatan and out of nowhere, the craziest thunderstorms show up. Pretty light cloud cover here this afternoon at 1 o'clock. Let's see what happens. All of a sudden, bam! Out of nowhere. This morning, pretty decent morning. All of a sudden, cloud cover coming. I don't know what's going on here. And then, kerplow. This is making so much thunder and lightning right now. So you can see those clouds are moving west. But I can hear more thunder off to the east. And it dropped a lot of rain in like 20 minutes. Just out of nowhere.